Hi, in this series of video demonstrations we're going to be using Fusion 360 to create moving models of our mechanical design ideas. Video 9 is about creating and editing components by offsetting extrusions. To help us demonstrate this, over the series we're going to be modelling this punch mechanism. In this video we create the final component for our model, the linkage between the lever and the punch. In order to get the geometry right, we're going to design our linkage in situ, using the model to get the dimensions right. So we're going to place our lever and our slider, our punch pin, roughly where we want them to be when they're fully closed. And we can use the holes, then we can line up the holes in our linkage with the holes in these components. So we'll start by creating a sketch on the surface of the lever, capture positions that we've moved, yes. Then we can draw our two 6mm holes in place, followed by a 9mm diameter circle around the bottom circle and a 12mm circle around the top one. Then, as we did with the lever, we're going to join these two outer circles up with a line. Then finish our sketch and extrude our component. Make sure the whole profile is selected and that the operation is set to new components. Then we can extrude this to a thickness of 12mm. Because we're designing this in situ, it helps to be able to see this from the other side now. So we're going to flip the design around so you can see where the lever and the pin line up with the linkage. We're then going to create a sketch on the surface of the linkage and just put two lines where we want our slots to end, so they don't contact either the lever or the punch pin. Then we can finish our sketch and extrude the two shapes at the end of the linkage. So using the extrude command, I'm going to select that one and that one. Let's look from a three-dimensional view. We don't want to extrude it onto the plane there because we'll end up cutting the side of it off. We're going to cut a section out the middle. So we're going to offset our extrusion from our plane by -4mm with a distance of -4, and it will then cut out our middle section. We then have our component which we can name and attach a material property to.